I have a raised garden that is approximately 6 feet by 10 feet. Is there a certain way to plant veggies to get more out of your space? This is Renee in Memphis, Tennessee. So Peter, 6 feet by 10 feet, but she wants to get the most out of that space. How does she do that?
Well, there's a couple things you can do.
Right.
So one thing that you can do is you can take anything that needs to climb, so beans, tomatoes, things like that, and angle them out away from the bed. And so that uses space in the air, but not over the bed. And so then you can get a little bit more in there. Now, the other thing to do, which is probably the better solution long term, is to start doing what's called square foot gardening.
There you go.
And
I thought you might mention that.
Yeah. So what you do is you basically divide your garden into 1 foot by 1 foot squares. You can do that with string or with little pieces of wood, or you can just imagine it. And then you densely plant within each of those 1 foot by 1 foot squares. So for instance, you can put 9 green bean plants in one of those squares, or only 1 tomato plant because it's a larger plant. Some plants require more than a square foot, so your larger cabbages might require 4 of those square feet. And so if you sit down and draw out on a piece of paper how you divide out your garden into the square feet, and then figure out what you're going to plant in each of those, and you can set it up so you have spring, summer, and fall in each square, and then figure out how the plants, for instance, if you're going to grow spinach in the spring in this spot, come June or July, that spot's available to grow something else. And so by really planning the garden well, you can get at least 2 crops out of every square, maybe 3.
That works. Square foot gardening. I would definitely do that. Do your homework ahead of time, though. Yeah, get it sketched out pretty good.
Planning is really good.
Yeah, do that ahead of time.
Like you said, planning is another thing. Another thing, you don't want to put where your tall plant going to shade your other plants out. You need in there, so you need to have it on the right side. In there, so yeah. But planning is an important thing, like Peter said. Planning.
You got to plan.
You got to plan how you gonna do that, so you can get all that growing season out of that plot.
Right. And it will do you so much good.
It's very good.
But this is a pretty good space, 6 feet by 10 feet.
Yeah, you can get a lot of produce out of that.
It's going to get a lot of produce out of that. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.